Hello guys, it's Knudsen here. Yes, I'm gonna be building this. So it'll be a few clips, you know, the videos and you know, do the time lapse as well. So I'm gonna try my best as well, and also I will show you some the bits where I'm at. So yeah, I'm gonna be building the Lego Barad door. Wow. And then that's the figures at the top. And I will show you the back as well. So I can imagine I'm going to build this bit first, and then we can build these sections here. So, I mean, as you can see right here, the box is massive. That is big. So yeah, until the end, I will tell you how long it takes me and what I think about the set or the actual castle, but we'll call it a Barad door. So yeah, and until the end of the clip, obviously I will show you like how long it takes me to build and etc. And I will tell you the price of it as well, so it'd be worth it. So wish me luck. So yeah, I'm gonna get the dinner later, so after that I will get started. So, and then once that is done, I will be building my Kinect's roller coaster. It's the micro one. It's going to be Sadra next to let you know. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be open this up. Oh my god. I just can't believe it. So you just do this, and then you just do that. Okay. Well, like that. Oh my god. Oh, there's a box in there. Oh my god. Right, what's the best way? I have to like just flip it and then just like pour it out. Oh, there we go. I suppose that's the easier way. Oh. So you have that one. Alright, there's... My goodness. So I'm going to open this one first and see what we have. Oh, I just hit myself there. I mean, I want to try it like... It's alright, it's not drop blood or anything like that, but... Oh, I take that's the books, instruction books in there. Look at that. So thick. What bag's that? 17. Well, there's... I'm not sure the total, but I say around about 40 bags. I could be wrong though. So I'm just going to empty them all. that box anyway. Oh, there's bag one, there we go. Oh my god. And there's even more in this box. Look at that. Oh my god, man, I just can't wait for the size yet. Oh well, here you go. Well, I just need to sort them all, and then I will open this and then I will show you the instructions, so I'll be right back. Okay, that's me sort the bags. Now open this. Let's open it. Oops, I just ripped it. There we go. Oh, the stickers. Look at that. Also include the stickers. Wow. Right, okay. What's first? Oh my god, there's 3 instruction books. I believe it's this one first, to be fair. It could be hard to see. So we have that one. Then that one. I believe that's all of them. Oh my goodness. So we have the empty box, all these bags, there's 40 bags in total, and then you get the 3 books. That's meant to be like that, here we go. Much better. And then the stickers as well. I would imagine it would take time, but I'd be definitely enjoy it. Definitely will enjoy building that because I love building. I've been building Connects for like years, and then I used to build Lego, and then until maybe a few years later. I mean, I still love Lego, definitely. So, anyways, let's crack on then. Oh my god. I mean, as you can tell my face, like, I just can't wait for this is, this is it though. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, that's what we have so far, and it also include that bit as well so far. So I mean, there's so many parts already. I've done like 6 bags, so I will be starting the bag 7 and all that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. I mean, look at that. Even though it's going to be the other bit there as well, once finished that bit maybe, but I will see. So yeah. Alright, this section is complete. So yeah, that's that book by the way. So that's me done this section. So I'll be moving on this one here. So like let's take a look at this. Look at that one. Wow. I think some bits were quite tricky as well. And you also get the back bit as well, so I mean, still a good bit to go. There's 2 books, so my next one is that one, so I'm gonna do this one next. I think it's called the dining room or something like that. Yeah, the dining hall, I should say. So yeah, I'll be doing that next. So I will do a time lapse. Right, this is officially the end. I'm not longer up. Wow. I fully enjoy that building. Here it is. Wow. I mean, in real, I'm like, oh my word, that is actually pretty big. And it is. Look at that. And also you get the figures as well. And then that's the box. So I will show you a full thing. So here is the Lego, the Lord of the Rings, Barad door. It is insanely massive, it is insane. I mean, especially all the bits. Wow. It is so cool. That is super duper cool. I'm just going to show you around first before I do show you everything else. I mean, look at that, but the eye. Wow. All these bits, it's absolutely crazy, but man, it was worth it. And go all the way down. I mean, look at this part here. Like, it starts there and then it goes up there. That is crazy. And then that's got to be my favourite bit. And this bit down here as well. I really like that. And then that's the entrance. And then that's the gates. I will show you that in a couple of minutes. So here we go. So that's the front. I will show you the back. Alright, that is the back. So let's start down the bottom. So see this bit, like if you're wondering what that is, it's for them open the gate, the entrance here. So that moves, opens and then it closes. So you just do that. Like that. And then you take this thing out and then you have that spider. Look at that. It is so cute. It is so cute. So it is. So that goes back in there. And then in there is just the fish, pretty much. Some lava and then some etc. stuff in there. The swords, shields and all that, helmets. And then you get that, this skeleton guy. So it just goes down like that. He is, that's what it looks like. So it just goes down the lava like that. And then it goes back up like that. So in this wee bit, and then that's the rings. This way I'm not too sure, but I'm sorry for the not focusing, but here we go. And that goes in there. So this bit is the dining hall. I mean, look at that. It is so crazy. Some like other bits and bobs, and then you get that picture as well. I just find that bit is really cool as well, that part. Now we're going to move on to this one. What it does, you pull this and then that opens. Look at that. Wow. That is amazing, isn't it? That is so amazing. So like that's an actual chair, this part here, and then it opens. Wow. That is amazing. Now we're going to move on, but I don't know what it is, but it's to do with the writing or something like that. Oh, here's the person, well, not really a person, but holding the ring anyway. And then at the top you get the library part, which is not much, but it is pretty cool still. That is so cool though. And it moves the ladders side to side like this. And I really like these little fires at the sides. And then also the fires around there as well, if you probably noticed. And then there's these bits on there as well too, so. And then at the very top you've got this light behind, and it lights up the eye. So I have to keep hold it and then off. So that is what it looks like behind of a Barad door. So has the swords bit as well, as you probably see that. So I'm going to face it back this way, so I'm going to open the gates again. Look at that. So that's when they go in and out if they wish. So yeah, here we go. That is a Barad door, and then there you have these figures. All the figures right here. And then that's the 3 books over there, and then that's a box on its own. So I know it's a long video, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Like how long it took me? About maybe 3 days actually. I was finished it last night, so like this is the February the 24th. So I just finished it last night. I really enjoy the build, I really do. Is it anything else? Oh, the price. Oh my god, it was like £399.99 set. So it was £399, £400 for the Lego set. I mean, look at that, man. I've been really wanting this, so I'm so happy that it's been built and that. So I really love the colour as well. I mean, especially around here. I mean, that took me like maybe 2 days, and then I finished that in the same day, like a couple of days after. And then the next day I built this bit. Until last night I finished the actual tower. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash a like if you guys do have that set. I mean, myself, I really like that. It is massive, and probably my favourite part is the eye part, the Barad. Even though I like everything, so yeah. So yeah, smash a like and comments and subscribe. So which means I will continue building my Kinects roller coaster. So that's what I do in my channel. I build Kinects. Even though I do upload different shorts, which I do. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you soon, and goodbye.